Yo, guys, in this video I am going to talk about how to make money on YouTube without ads and also without showing your face. If you aren't making a lot of money with advertisements, there are plenty of other ways to generate an income from your channel. Here are some of the best options. First one is add affiliate links to your video descriptions to recommend products and earn commissions on every sale. Second one is sell merchandise, t-shirts, and physical products linked to an e-commerce platform like Shopify. Third one is sell digital products, online courses, and ebooks. Fourth one is build your audience and get a YouTube sponsorship from a brand. Fifth one is use crowdfunding and ask for donations. Fifth one is if you're an expert in your niche, sell coaching and consulting services and charge an hourly rate. Is it hard to make money on YouTube? It is pretty challenging to make money on YouTube. First, you must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months to join the YouTube Partner Program. Then you have to generate a lot of views and monitor your cost per view, CPV, to see how much money you make for advertisements. If you don't have millions of views, one great way to monetize your channel is with affiliate marketing. You can review products or perform product tutorials and place affiliate links in your video description. That way, you can earn commissions on every sale and make more money than your advertising CPV. I recommend you start a blog and couple that with your YouTube account. That way you can promote affiliate links on both your YouTube channel and blog and embed your videos in your blog posts to get more views, and help your search engine rankings. Okay guys, that's all for today, and make sure to smash the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.